What can you get for 32 grand? A parking spot? A minivan? How about a home? No way, you're saying this whole house costs $32,000?
Yeah, and it includes all the finishes. So floor to ceiling, bamboo, full glazing.
How is that possible, you ask? Well, the prefab homes are made out of steel shipping containers.
In our case, it's a kind of an IKEA notion of a building in a box that you can ship anywhere, and there's no limitation to that.
The Toronto-based design trio called MEKAWORLD saw a void in the market of affordable housing options for design-savvy customers. So they came up with the concept to mass-produce container homes in China and sell them for $100 a square foot. Think of it like Lego. These are basically architectural building blocks. This house just happens to be made up of two 20-foot shipping containers. But just like Lego, the possibilities are endless. Another main advantage is speed. After the foundation is set, the units are dropped on site by crane, clicked together, and drilled into place.
Gotcha.
Decks are peeled back to reveal floor-to-ceiling windows. And the corrugated exterior is clad in cedar paneling.
You can customize it and take, for instance, slate or any other material to use as an exterior.
The entire on-site assembly took place before our eyes over an 8-hour workday, incomparable to traditional construction methods that can drag on for months. The end result, Meka claims, is a home that's engineered to be more durable than a traditional house.
These units need to stand up to the worst case scenario. So literally for the United States, we're designing these things to be hurricane proof.
Everything is prefab. They come wired with electrical, and plumbing is in place as well.
Behind this wall is the highest-tech insulation, saving you up to 2/3 of your heating costs over the lifetime of the building, and similar to these windows. All units are pre-assembled, of course, in the factory, and they're CSA approved, so you can get it through the building permit process quite easily because it is already inspected.
There are much larger modular homes already in the works. Imagine a 3-bedroom house that looks like this for $128,000.
They're going to be seeing them more in the future in the country, in the city, and everywhere.
The modular units are also sustainably built with more than 70% of the materials recycled. And the fact that they're manufactured in a factory setting means there's much less waste involved. By default, they have a smaller carbon footprint than traditional stick-built homes, where trades have to drive into site week after week. So this really appeals to the eco-conscious consumer as well.
I want one.
You know, and this is a really great alternative for people who are looking at cottages, for instance.
Absolutely.
You know, they're getting priced from the markets. You can buy a piece of land for $10,000, $20,000, put one of these, and you know what? You can even sell them on eBay. Like literally, this was the model suite in New York City. Someone saw it, purchased it, and now it's in Brighton, Ontario.
Well, are